Oh, brutal uphill. Isang pinagpalang umaga mga padyak. Muli nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod Oscar Rota po na mag-aatid sa inyo ng impormasyon at dokumentasyon sa aking paglalakbay sa araw nito. Sumali sa isang bike competition. So nakakatuwa dahil since ng 1996 ay ngayon lang ako sasali sa ganitong competition at dito pa sa New Zealand. So samahan nyo ako sa aking adventure today. Let's go! Yung ano lang, number mo. Malapit ko ka lang. Hello. Yes, I have. Inside my bag. Sign ko lang.
But it is issues or you hope to out to everybody. We couldn't go out into the forestry. That just was a real no-go. It's a 3-lap course. We're going to send you out here. Wait when my whistle goes. A little tricky. In fact, I think they fell off. But it's not a big drop, but we just don't want you hurting yourself. So please, when you see an extreme caution sign, it means what it says. I'll program that as we go. You're heading south on a well-marked course. That have been, they're not overly complimentary that we've got an event going on. So just there is wildlife out there. We had heard rumours of crocodiles, but I've got a feeling that's not quite true. Yeah, we're hoping they don't have a busy day. Station, we're all ready.
Okay guys, so mag-start na yung race. So kakatawa dahil first time natin sasali. Bahala na si Batman. Filipino bro. Filipino? Oh. Yes. Kasali rin dito. Pagod na pala. Pusang gala. Pusang sa atin sa atin, pusang gala. Oh, brutal uphill. Ha.
Good news is back home to High Point.
Excuse. Okay, sorry.
Good job, man. Keep going. Keep this guy through, fellas.
Ah.
Well done, mate. That's awesome. This way. Over there.
Ah.
Good job, mate.
Guys, napasubo tayo ng karera dito sa New Zealand. Kahit mahirap, enjoy lang. Back to the fullest. Yahoo! Sali tayo sa karera ng mga Kiwi. Filipino from New Zealand. Team Philippines, kulalat, yahoo! Pinaka the best to. Ganda. Ganda ng trail. Grabe. Sobra. Woo! Ang lupit. Woo! Panalo. Nice. Nice trail. Yahoo! Galing. Ship trail. Woo! Galing. Panalo. Ganda ng trail dito. Woo! Panalo. Best experience to makasali sa karera dito sa New Zealand. Nabing kamay ko. Wow, single track. Yahoo! Huhu! Slow down. Ganda! Gaganda ng trail dito guys. Lupit. Wow! Extreme caution. Okay. Ingat lang tayo. Ha, grabe guys, ayos ang ating mountain bike adventure sa araw na to. So nakasal tayo sa race dito lamang sa New Zealand. Yahoo! Thank you. Tapos din natin. Yahoo! Nakatapos ako ng 15 kilometers uphill ride. Thank you.
And 593, welcome home. Happy to call 15 done, I reckon. Face of hurt.
Natapos ko rin yung race. Akalain mo, simula nung 1996, nung napadpad lang ako dito sa New Zealand, dito lang ako nakasali ng race. So, fun ride lang naman guys. Ang sarap pala ng race dito sa New Zealand, parang katuwaan lang. So, parang ganoon sa kanila. So, napakasaya ng sumali. Ang sinalihan ko ay 15k lang. Merong 45 kilometers, tatlong loop yon, tatlong balik. So, hindi na ako sumali ng 45 kilometers, 15. Sinubukan ko lang naman. Pero, nag-enjoy naman ako guys. So, sana ma-appreciate nyo yung aking video. So, ito yung kauna-una kong fun ride competition dito sa New Zealand. So, sa mga bago sa aking channel, huwag po natin kalimutang mag-subscribe at hit na rin po ang notification bell para lagi pa kayong updated sa aking mga bagong video. Hanggang sa muli, po ang inyong lingkod, Oscar Rota po. God bless you all. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.